Those are some nice weeds you got growing out of your lawn and through your sidewalk and driveway. Be a shame if something were to happen to it. Actually, no one's gonna shed a tear if a few measly weeds turn up missing, which makes rubbing out these invasive eyesores the perfect crime. Try these 5 herbicide-free methods for putting out a hit on encroaching weeds. Method number 1, you catch more flies with honey, but you'll murk more weeds with vinegar. Pour some white vinegar into a spray bottle, squirt your murder mist liberally over problem areas, and repeat daily until those weeds sleep with the fishes. Method number 2, bada bing, bada boil. If you literally want to get medieval on these trespassing plants, bring back a little Dark Ages death by scalding. Pour boiling water over problem patches, watch the weeds wither, and forget about it. Method number 3, commit a salt. Rock salt, it ain't just for melting snow and making ice cream. It's also good for horticultural homicide. Spread rock salt over any cracks with protruding weeds, and then let them die a slow, salty death over the course of a few days. You can also dissolve the salt in water in a spray bottle and spritz daily until the weeds are pushing up daisies. Method 4, sick burn, bro. If you have a propane blowtorch or specialized weed torch, this is the most fire way to show the offending flora that it can't handle your smoke. Method 5, mix a deadly cocktail. Similar to the vinegar method, mix 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol with water in a spray bottle and spritz this alcoholic herbicide onto the problem plant life. Keep in mind, each of these methods is considered non-selective, meaning they kill vegetation indiscriminately, so take care to only target the ones you want whacked. Oh, and one more thing. Never rat on your friends, and always keep your mouth shut.